Well, hey Finger Lakers, welcome to Bill's Bench. Did a little work today on the sound files on the Locos. Found a new B23-7 file. Well, new to me. Came back, I guess, out in November, but I just found it today. But I'm slow. Hey, you guys smell diesel? I think we got a daggone fuel leak here somewhere. I told them guys, oh, well, never mind. Anyway, let's see what these two sound files sound like. I'll start out with number 1995. That's got the old version 4. I guess more of a modern sound to it. So let's hear that. See what we think. More of a long startup sequence. Seems louder too. And then I can just hit F9 for drive hold and throttle that up as if we're doing an air test. And then the shutdown sequence. Well, now let's take a listen to number 2309. That's got the newer file, but it's more an older style sound, I believe. And you can hear it kind of blowing off some excess air as we're talking. In case you're wondering about why I have a Finger Lakes Loco 1995, I know it's not prototypical, but then again, neither am I. So that happens to be the year that the Finger Lakes Railway was founded, so that's just my way of celebrating it, a little bit on my layout. So let's hear number 2309, fire up. We can simulate an air test. Give you an idea of what it sounds like under motion. And the shutdown sequence. Well, that wasn't much of a sequence, but that's the way it goes sometimes. Well, now let's hear what they sound like when they run together. The way I always run them. Well, let me know what you think. Tell me which one you like better. I'm still trying to decide. So that's it for Bill's Bench tonight, everybody. Have a good one. Bye.